And now we are Damascus bound, going to check on our latest fix and list over on Kingstead. The kitchen's done, the painting's done, pretty much everything but the flooring. But the flooring is on day 2 now, so let's go take a look and see what the progress of this thing looks like. Perfect time to stop by. The crew's not here, so we can actually see, but we got our new carpet. Let's go see what the inside looks like. There's our pallet full of LVP. Let's see what the boys have done so far. Alright, so we got this all peeled out of here. Looking good. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, look at this kitchen, how pretty it is. Got a new backsplash, freshly painted cabinets. This came out awesome. I love the paint color we chose for this. Trying to get away from the basic grays on everything. And man, this looks awesome. I am really happy with the way this is turning out. So we got carpet going in everything here, LVP going in the main levels, but this looks awesome. Well, this project is coming along awesome. I am super excited. Once the guys get back in here, they're going to start laying the floors down. They will probably finish it up tomorrow, and then we'll kind of come do a final reveal probably next week sometime. But I love this project. So this is a fix and list, but they are not going to be listing just yet. We're probably going to do a little bit more work down in the basement, but we'll see how it goes. So this thing's moving along perfectly, and we'll keep you updated on the progress as it goes.